Nearby service coverage is important when looking for window replacement Pelly TX and surrounding communities. Many homeowners in Pelly also search for window replacement to find a convenient and reliable installer. A company serving the broader area can often provide faster scheduling, broader product access, and local expertise while still focusing on window replacement services in Pelly, Texas. Whether your goal is custom window replacement Pelly TX or a simple home window replacement Pelly TX project, choosing the right style can make every room feel brighter, newer, and more comfortable. Energy savings make home window replacement Pelly TX a valuable upgrade. Older units often allow hot air, humidity, and UV exposure into the home, which raises cooling costs in Pelly, Texas. Energy-efficient windows Pelly TX and energy-efficient replacement windows Pelly Texas are designed to improve insulation, reduce solar heat gain, and help HVAC systems run more efficiently. Whether you need old window replacement Pelly TX for one room or full residential window replacement Pelly Texas for the entire property, modern replacement windows Pelly TX can improve indoor comfort and lower monthly utility bills. Insulated house windows Pelly TX are especially popular for homeowners looking for long-term value. Style upgrades are another major benefit of custom window replacement Pelly TX. A local replacement window company, Pelly TX, can help homeowners choose double-hung window replacement Pelly TX, casement window replacement Pelly TX, sliding window replacement Pelly TX, or picture window replacement Pelly TX based on architecture, ventilation needs, and curb appeal goals. Custom home windows Pelly TX area projects are ideal for older houses that need non-standard sizing or a fresh design. If you want new windows for homes Pelly TX that look clean, modern, and durable, Pelly TX replacement windows and installation services can tailor the project to your exact preferences. Professional installation matters when planning window replacement Pelly TX. Even high-quality products can underperform if the fit, sealing, flashing, or framework is not handled correctly, which is why many homeowners choose licensed window contractors Pelly TX and experienced house window installers Pelly TX. A trusted window contractor Pelly TX can inspect existing openings, recommend retrofit windows Pelly TX when appropriate, and complete precise installation for lasting results. Residential window installers Pelly Texas understand local building conditions and can help ensure your home window upgrade performs well in both heat and storms. Affordability is possible when you work with the right provider for affordable window replacement Pelly TX. Many local homeowners think premium results require oversized budgets, but affordable window replacement in Pelly TX can include durable vinyl replacement windows Pelly Texas, strong insulated glass packages, and efficient installation options that keep costs manageable. A best local window company Pelly Texas will provide transparent pricing, explain product differences, and offer a free estimate window replacement Pelly Texas service before work begins. From small projects to complete window replacement services in Pelly, Texas, the right team can match quality solutions to your budget. Frame condition is just as important as the glass during any replacement project. If moisture, rot, warping, or impact damage has affected the structure around the unit, window frame replacement Pelly TX or window glass and frame replacement Pelly TX may be necessary to restore performance. Homeowners dealing with aging or damaged openings often request broken window replacement Pelly TX along with full frame repairs for a more complete result. In many cases, old window replacement Pelly TX is the best choice when seals have failed, frames have weakened, or the windows no longer open and close correctly in the Pelly TX climate. Vinyl options remain one of the most requested products for vinyl window replacement Pelly TX. Vinyl is popular because it is low maintenance, cost-effective, durable, and available in a range of styles that suit both traditional and contemporary homes. Homeowners searching for vinyl replacement windows Pelly Texas often want a product that resists moisture, does not require constant painting, and delivers dependable insulation. Combined with double pane window replacement Pelly TX and energy-efficient windows Pelly TX, vinyl can offer excellent value for residential window replacement Pelly TX. This makes it a practical choice for families wanting affordable performance and a clean finished appearance.